YouTube, looks like we found a sweet spot. You guys like the free-for-all domination? Tell me in the comments, I'll keep it coming. Guys, smash the like button, tickle the subscribe button, and give the notification bell a big smooch. Okay, I'll see you guys in a few minutes, man. Yeah, it's a great game, man. Didn't get him. Didn't get him! This Kingslayer sucks. I hate doing this. I think it's dumb. I like that guy. Oh, good. The guy who's doing the best is, wow. Dang it. I was running a little bit low on, I saw him! Come on! I had to get that kill because I never do this. It's like, die when I look at you. I haven't been over here in a minute, guys. I was out of ammo, guys. Come on! It drives me nuts! I get him? I did. Good. Drop down on me. Drop down on me. That's fine. I don't know where I am. Oh, I do now. Laggy. Dude, I understand the range, but really? Is he over here? How did I know? Headshots. Shortcuts. Camper boy. You guys can't. It's my house. Stay out of my freaking house.
Copy. UAV station. Recon online.
Whoa. Whoa. I just... They're too slow, guys.
Enemy UAV active.
Okay. Whoa, that was bad spawn, guys. Someone saw me go over that way. God, he had me all day long. I'm out of bullets! I'm dead. I'm dead. Wow. Get him with the Betty.
Enemy UAV overhead. UAV is bingo fuel.
Ha ha! See how short the angle, guys? Yeah, I saw the guy behind me, but I was on the other fool. Come on! Come on. Why want to drop it? Should have reloaded! Come on! I never go this way. Could have reloaded right there, I guess. When I look at you, Kingslayer, King Camper Boy. Oh, I was at a turn. One more kill. One more kill. Let's get it. Hey, shutting it down, guys. That's how you play this game. He was a skater boy. 30 and 19. We shut the game down, folks. I have not been doing as well with shipment, guys. You guys want to jump in a shipment game, see if I can see? Dude, I almost turned on that fool, man. Wow. Okay. Not enough bullets, guys. Not enough bullets for these fools. Guys, I just keep running into their freaking spawn, man. Freaking, there's a guys, see what I'm saying? Little different, huh? Little different. See what I'm saying? Shipment, guys. Not killing it. Not killing in a shipment, guys. Maybe I shouldn't bother throwing the that was one of my guys. I couldn't tell. That's a little streak. That was a little streak, guys. That was a little streak right there. My business map 94. Yeah. Probably not happening with me. Give me your tags. But do you guys see the difference between free for all and going up the middle, folks? Yeah, you know what? I think it's better than Betty's. I just killed a whole bunch of guys right there, guys. You just gotta chop off their haircuts, guys. Die when I spray at you. What's that ammo? It's when you gotta go. What? Reload glitch. I wasn't reloaded, guys. That was bad. Come on! I stunned him, guys. How come he didn't stun? Betties are dumb, guys. Betties are dumb in this game. Well, hey, look at that! Second place on a winning team. Third place in kills. That wasn't bad.